So you've heard a lot about the newest stimulus bill, the child tax credit, and you probably have a lot of questions. Will I get it? When will I receive it? Do single parents qualify? How much is it for? Well, I'm here today to help answer your questions and explain the new bill a little bit better. Here's 5 things you need to know about the child tax credit. Number 1, what is it? The child tax credit is available every year. It's usually about $2,000, but with the pandemic this year, lawmakers got together and made a relief package that ups how much families will receive. A tax credit is a reduction in the amount of taxes you owe. However, a portion of the traditional child tax credit is refundable. So in the past, if you owed less taxes than the credit was worth, you got to pocket some of that remainder. It was about $1,400 of the full $2,000 that was refundable. With this new child tax credit, though, it's fully refundable. You get to pocket the remainder. Parents with no earnings or with incomes below the threshold required to file should still submit tax returns this year in order to receive the new payments as soon as they start to distribute. 2. How much is this new child tax credit for? Well, eligible parents will now receive a tax credit of $3,600 for children under the age of 6 and $3,000 for children between the ages of 6 and 18. You're probably wondering why families with children that are younger are receiving more, and most likely that's due to the cost of childcare. As I'm sure you know, childcare can be very expensive. Speaking of which, we actually have an article on affordable childcare alternatives. If you're interested in learning more information, be sure to check out the link in the description at the end of this video. Number 3, am I eligible? Well, you must have a child listed as a dependent on your taxes that has lived with you for more than half of 2020 and is under 18 years old. Single parents making less than $75,000 a year, heads of household earning less than $112,500 a year, and joint filers making less than $150,000 a year are eligible for the full amount. Beyond that, though, the credit starts to phase out. Don't worry, though. The $2,000 credit is still in effect for you. So long as you're a single filer or head of household earning less than $200,000 a year, or a married couple making less than $400,000 a year, you'll qualify for the traditional $2,000 credit. Number 4. Will I receive the full amount? So half of the credit will be paid in advance in monthly installments. The other half will be claimed by families on their tax returns next year for the 2021 taxes. 5. When will I receive the money? So it really depends on how fast the IRS can get this rolling out. But essentially, families eligible for this credit will get payments of $300 per month per child starting in July, and that will go through the remainder of the year. The rest will be paid at next year's tax time. Keep in mind you'll have to file taxes this year for 2020 and next year for 2021. And be sure to check out our blog at netpayadvance.com. I have a link in the description with a blog with more information on affordable childcare alternatives. With so many changes in this last year, we want to let you know that we're here for you, and we want to keep you updated on current events. For more personal finance and money-saving tips, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and all that jazz. We hope you have a great day.